a pathiri like this. It's called as Poricha Pathari. But crispy outside, very soft inside, but beautiful flavors. Don't waste time. Let's go to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We can make 8 pieces like this. Onto a blender, add 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 piece of green chilli, 4 pieces of shallots, 3 pieces of garlic, half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of fennel, and just crush it like this. Don't make it as a paste and keep it aside. Onto a pot, 1 3/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Bring to boil. When the water is boiling, add the puttu podi 1 cup, the rice flour. Mix it continuously. Make sure there is no lumps. Cover it and rest for 10 minutes. Now the flour will be very soft. Transfer to a bowl. Add the coconut mix to the rice flour mix we made. Add 1 teaspoon of black cumin, 1 tablespoon of semolina, and while it's hot, knead the dough. You will get a soft dough like this. Transfer to a clean surface, press it and roll it thick. It should be thick like this. Using a cutter or a glass like this, cut it into rounds. Like this thick, like this round. Cut all like that and onto a hot oil. Check it first. When it's hot, fry it until it's golden and crispy. Outside and inside will be still soft and very tasty. Drain all the oil. And enjoy beautiful pathiri. Hot cup of tea. The beautiful pathiri. Crispy outside, very soft inside, but taste is amazing. Make sure, please try it. If you like it, share it, comment it, and show your support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye for today, but new recipes are coming more and more. Bye. Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try.